front of me is ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. First of all, you need to locate Sound Recorder app and click on it. Then tap on Allow in the pop-up and click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. In order to end it and save it, click on the square one on the left, type in wherever you wish to and hit OK. Now to access it, click on those three lines on the right. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. To delete it though, click on Edit at the top right corner.
You can pause it.
Pick one of your recordings that you wish to delete and click on Delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!